What's up, everybody? Rob here. That's me. You are watching a very special episode of Man vs. House. And when I say special, I mean uncensored. That's right, Lowe's is no longer sponsoring the show. Love those guys. They were awesome. They're incredible. Hopefully, they come back around and we see them again soon. But in the meantime, we got a bunch of bloopers and things that they wouldn't let us put in the episodes that we're gonna show you today. But before that, I gotta show you around the actual finished place. You saw the upstairs in the last episode, but since then, the basement has been finished, and now the ADU just got finished. So let's give you a little tour. I'm excited to show it all to you. We'll walk out. Hold on, here we go. Let me get you the full-on walk into the basement mode. You do this, you enter a couple little codes here. That's not it. You come in and, oh shit. There it is. Welcome to the basement / Rob's underground lair. And it's all mine. It's all fucking mine. Corinne gets the upstairs, I get the downstairs. Fair trade-off, I'm not complaining. The before and the after of this is just crazy. Pipes and wires and all sorts of shit running everywhere. This was where the flooding happened. This just at once was a housing unit for coal. Now it's a recording studio. I got the amps, the microphones, the computer setups, this fucking guitar. And in case you get thirsty, boom, a little wine / beer fridge. A little drums, supplies. I don't know if you saw these from my vlog, but at Creator Summit, they gave us these crazy little bowling pins that look like us. How fucking weird is that? Fucking YouTube. We got ourselves here some gold play buttons, because you gotta throw those on display. Me, here. Hi, how are you? Welcome. This actually looks pretty cool from this way too, huh? Anyways, yeah, let's carry on. We got a little workstation over here. Boom. Guess what wasn't here before? A fucking bathroom. That's right. You got this thing, which is the fireplace from upstairs. Runs all the way down here, and it just looks fucking cool. It's a rock wall in the house. Over here, this is like the green room lounge area. Comfy, huge couch. You got Charlie, you know, he just hangs out here. Oh yeah, you remember this thing? In Face Pillow, episode 1900, I don't remember. And then you turn around here and you have the new studio space. This is where new projects are gonna be born. I'll give you a little tour around here. Lots of YouTube things. YouTube just sends us like weird drawings and posters and books and things of us throughout the year. There's the Shrine of Middle Fingers. Somebody sent me this cup and it just has me flipping you off on it. We got a Shorty. Got a Shorty Award, our Webby Award, which you helped us win. A little GFY action. Pinometer, I had to put him out of commission because he was causing too many fucking problems around here. A bag of hollow, you know, memories. And yeah, that's the backdrop. That's the new scene, the new digs. And there it is. That's pretty much it. That is the basement. But even more exciting, I want to take you outside, take you to the little tiny house, additional dwelling unit, whatever the fuck you want to call it. The house in the back. It's done. It's finished. See Corinne over here in the garden, hoeing away. What are you doing?
Hard work.
It looks like
What
it.
are you doing?
Just giving a tour of the new place. Look at this garden happening out here. Believe it or not, Corinne is making a galaxy garden. Lots of purple, lots of pinks, lots of blues.
I need suggestions of plants that I need to get for my galaxy garden in the comments down below.
Boom. Here we go, the old dun dun dun. Here it is. Last time you saw this, there wasn't anything in here. Check this out. You can see there's a little bit of usage of some things in here. Some bowls, some dishes in the sink. Got some plants, got some furnitures. Somebody has their computer plugged in over here and some backpacks. What the f is going on in here? Coming up the stairs, you get to see the little bedroom action that we, oh, son of a bitch. Hey, guys, you were supposed to be out of here already. I'm shooting the thing for the house reveal.
Just, what, 5 more minutes?
Oh, Christ almighty. Ladies and gentlemen, healthy junk food, they're staying here. I don't know when the f they're leaving, but doing a collab with them, so be sure you check that out soon enough. But that's it, that's the ADU, that's the tiny house. Obviously being occupied. We'll see you guys in a little bit.
Keep it down, it's 4 p.m., we should be sleeping.
Okay, alright, stay safe up there. Gotta make sure to clean those sheets, holy shit. All right, still in bed, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Back here, this is the backyard, and this is kind of like an overgrown jungle because I'm way too lazy to cut the grass out here. Holy shit. The greenhouse, are you ready for it? You ready to see this? Our magnificent greenhouse? Oh yeah. Oh god. Looks like all these plants and everything are doing real well. These are coming up. These are looking great. That thing looks healthy. We didn't do it properly. So that's what's Jesus Christ. All right, great. Speaking of bloopers, here they are. Things we didn't show you, things we couldn't show you. F-ups, screw-ups, funny moments, all that good stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna cut to that. I'm gonna get out of here. We got DIY projects, things to shoot with healthy junk food in the meantime. This month is gonna be crazy, so I hope that you're subscribed. Be sure you like up this video, all that good stuff. And here they are, as promised, bloopers. Oh, do we need tool belts?
I'm ready to party.
We gotta dance and everything, folks. Okay. Oh my goodness.
Okay, moving on.
I'm thinking we put what, you're moving your hand? I'm moving my hand here first. You can't put your hand away. And our contractor, Bob, actually called us, and our contractor, Bob, actually just called us, and actually our... Is that a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle?
No, my friend.
Well, that's real sadness right there. Whoa. Ow, God.
Sorry, I am getting pretty tired.
Come on.
For our house numbers?
Oh yeah. Huh? Hey. Oh.
Look, I am your father.
You guys? I think I found something.
What is? No.
I'm pretty sure.
No. What? Is that a toothbrush holder?
I think so.
Oh wait, I knew I left that somewhere. I don't think this is family-friendly content.
No, I'm not sure whether or not we could post that.
Safety first.
You know what we're doing here. We're throwing caution to the wind. Oh yeah.
That was really sexy, I'm sure.
Swinging sledgehammers through shit. That's what. Oops.
We're gonna be doing that because it's demo day, people.
What are you doing out here, Corinne?
Not really anything.
Pick up, straight up, and it'll come around. Yes. Oh, yes. Oh, trust me.
Yeah. Now what are we doing?
Now what?
What are you doing? Maybe it can be a cat door. Vaulted ceilings.
And we're at the house. You're here with us, and I don't know. I'm a lot nervous about I'm a lot nervous.
I heard something about
So here we go. You'll hear it.
All right, one more time.
That's the shot back dance right there.
When your basement floods.
No, that hasn't happened yet.
And there's syphilis in that water, right?
What? Awesome.
A slope shaver.
Spoke shave.
I used to shave with a spoke shave.
So satisfying.
Yeah, that's.
That's good wood right there.
Roll that up tonight.
Those will love that joke.
Moving on to some wood stain over here. Hate it.
You gotta give it a chance.
Probably. You want to tell us how you really feel?
Looks like you're smearing shit on a piece of wood.
It doesn't really.
Yeah, it'll look fine once it's in there, but
It'll look like. It looks like crap right now, though. All right, just like a flush mouth.
so we got 6. Oops. That's one of the outfits.
You almost poked my eye out.
Happy bush.
Yeah.
A little happy bush and a little happy.
You're not allowed to talk about happy bushes on YouTube.
3+ on the 60.
Can I ride the ride?
Can you ride the ride? I let her get on it. I put her on it.
Wow.
Hello.
Swirly unicorn tail, like a little swirly
Yeah.
unicorn mane, like the little the curly unicorn mane. You know, like those little trapper keepers.
I don't even know who Farrah Fawcett is.
She's a goddamn national treasure, is who she is. Are you allowed to say goddamn? Rob painted this part, so it's all fucked up. Can we get ice cream?
No. What are you singing?
It's gonna crash into someone's car. It's gonna crash into our car.
You're doing a great job. Keep it up. I'm gonna go. This is what it was. It looked fine. The house looked great. I would have put a fresh coat of paint over it and that would have been it.
No. That's all that happened in here. The person just painted over everything and didn't fix any of the stuff, so it was gross. And that's why they had to take out all the stuff. Good job.
Thanks. Oh.
No! These are are my favorite pants.
Oh. Ow. Oh, mother. Hey, hey.
Okay, that's annoying.
This looks incredible. We did it. We fucking did it. We'll see you around here next time. Hey, I go for
That's
the
what I
camera.
do.
No, I'm doing.
No, that's my signature move.
No, that's mine.
Uh-uh.